Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best hand blenders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is KitchenAid's powerful hand immersion blender. Though most of these immersion blenders have adjustable speeds, this one has lots of speed settings, 12 to be specific, and the ability to dial in the speed helps prevent liquids from shooting out the top of your container. The speed dial for helping them blend without making a mess. To put it a different way, a reasonably priced immersion blender that doesn't spit your ingredients back at you. The immersion hand blender comes with 12 adjustable speed and turbo boost, will meet your multiple needs to make baby food, smoothies, soups, juices, whipped cream and much more. With the turbo button for maximum speed, you can chop meat and nuts easily in seconds. KitchenAid's electric hand blender has an 800 watts powerful copper motor which makes blending tasks faster with low noise. The handheld blender set includes hand blender, 600 ml beaker, 500 ml food processor and egg whisk. BPA free. You can rest assured to make various healthy foods. Choose KitchenAid's blenders for the kitchen is a good ideal for food lovers. The ergonomic handle provides comfort and stability to blend with one hand. It's a detachable stick blender and simple to change attachments by one click. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean with tap water and can hang with a hook. Built with quality, and each blender attachment goes through rigorous testing. Never worry about its lifespan as we provide 24 months exchange or money return guarantee. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Number 2. Our second best pick is Bella Immersion Hand Blender with Whisk Attachment. This immersion blender from Bella has nearly 4,000 5-stars reviews with dozens praising the great price, but it's just as versatile as our best rated pick and good quality. 2. Easy to clean, good feel in the hands, and the whisk attachment is extremely handy when mixing batters or meringues. You can find this immersion blender's true calling for whipped coffee. You can use a tall mason jar, 2 or 3 tablespoons each of Nescafe, sugar and boiling water, and put the whisk attachment on this bad boy. This 2-speed immersion blender features a powerful 250-watt motor and a 6-inch blending shaft. Blend, whip, chop and puree directly into tall pots and pans. Perfect for the smaller kitchen, this handheld blender includes durable and removable dishwasher-safe stainless steel blade system and whisk attachment. Ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Small enough to store in a drawer, this mixer is great for making soups, smoothies, meringues, dips, sauces, mayo, chutney, whipped cream, salsa, baby food, guacamole and batters for baking. Bella offers a full range of high-quality products including air fryers, waffle irons, toasters, coffee makers, electric kettles, slow cookers, espresso machines, griddles and juicers. The whisk attachment is strong enough that you can use it as a hand mixer for baking. Definitely a pleasant surprise. And the blender attachment annihilated anything in its path. The dual speed setting is also a nice touch. Overall, this can be an excellent addition to your kitchen tools. Buy this blender. You won't regret it. Number 3. Our third best pick is UTALENT Immersion Hand Blender. Over 2,700 reviewers give this 5-piece immersion blender set, which comes with a mixing wand, a milk frother, a food chopper, a measuring beaker, and a whisk. 5 stars and hundreds describe it as easy to clean. You can use this model for everything from mixing pancake batter to blending smoothies. Especially appreciates how versatile the attachments are. You can easily blend double or triple the amount for similar products. Even if you want to use it just as a blender, it does the job well. Not only does it quickly puree the frozen fruit, but afterwards just give it a quick rinse under hot water, lay it in the drain board, and it's ready for the next smoothie. Detachable attachments are easy to clean, chemical-free with ETL, dishwasher safe and BPA free. portable handheld milk frother makes milk foam for your coffee. Thick stainless steel mixing wand with 4 blades system. Make food mixing more efficient, evenly and smoothly. It's an excellent product. They deliver the product relatively quickly and comes functioning perfectly right out of the box. You will like that the plastics are BPA free and contain 5 different attachments that I will definitely use at least once from this device. The blender has an adjustable speed and 4 razor-sharp blades that seem like it can cut through anything. After tons of research, it is hard to find a comparable product at this same price point that offers the same features. No need to search any further. You've found the right blender. Number 4. Our 4th best pick is Braun MultiQuick Hand Blender patented technology. Though most immersion blenders can be used to make soup, most purchasers agree this Braun version is especially equipped for their soup making needs. You can use the blade to coarsely puree soup in the pot. It is ideal for that task. No more need for pouring portions of soup into the processor. You can use this for so many different purposes. During the fall we've been making a lot of potato soup and it creates a creamy texture without actually using any dairy products. And though this immersion blender doesn't have as many attachments as other options on this list for some, that's a selling point. You will love this blender. It makes preparing soups a breeze. The earlier iteration of the Braun hand blender that was white plastic, and this is definitely an upgrade in terms of how well the stainless steel part washes and how powerful it is. Power bell technology. Durable stainless steel blades and unique bell-shaped blending shaft for fast and finer results. Easy click ensures all attachments can be removed with one simple click. Turbo boost for added power. Soft grip handle for comfortable use and 20-ounce speaker and whisk attachment included. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender. This immersion blender from KitchenAid is cordless, which purchasers say is much more convenient, and much safer, than corded models. It's a must in the kitchen. Plus, the batteries are rechargeable, so you don't ever have to worry about putting new batteries in this thing, and it charges in no time. Although it's battery powered, it's plenty powerful. It's easily as powerful as corded one, but so much easier to simply pull out of the drawer and use without having to hunt for an outlet. And the charge seems to last forever. Blend 25 bowls of soup on a full charge. Rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers optimal runtime and performance. Battery indicator light signals when it is time to charge the battery. Sometimes a large blender is just too big, and this blender is very handy and does a great job. Love it for soups and anything you can use to blend together in smaller quantities. You can feel yourself so glad for this and can see it being used a lot. Easy to charge with a convenient charger included, which works on all products across the suite. Charge from empty to full in 2 hours or less. With a quick charge of 20 minutes, make a triple berry smoothie or tomato basil soup, based on 16 ounces smoothie or 44 ounces soup, when following recommended battery maintenance. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.